Welcome all students. Today's our topic is chapter 2 measurements, that is exercise 1.1. We have already learned the basic introduction of measurements. So let me see the exercise 2.1. Okay, so the first one, exercise 2.1, first one, fill in the blanks. The first one is 250 milliliter plus half liter is equal to dash liter. 250 plus half, we know that is 250 plus half is nothing but 3 by 4 liter. 3 by 4 liter. Okay, so the second question is 150 kilogram 200 gram plus 55 kilogram 750 gram is equal to dash. You just add this, that's all. This is 150 and 55, so 5 205, then 200 plus 750, it is 950. So 205 kilogram 950 gram. So this is the answer of the second question. The third one is 20 liter, that is 20 liter by 1 liter 500 milliliter. So here we take it 0, so 500, 20 is 19 liters, so that is, you have to write it as 18 liter 500 milliliter, because you have to take 1 liter here, no, because it is in 1 liter and this is 500 milliliter. If you take, it will be changed as 19, so it is 1000 milliliter. Okay, so 500 milliliter, 19 minus 1 is 18 milliliter. Okay, so you don't do it directly. Okay, you take this 1 liter to that side, that it changes as 1000 milliliter. So 1000 minus 500 is 500, 19 minus 1 is 18 liter. Then fourth one, 450 milliliter into 5, that is 450 into 5. What is that? 5 5 is 25, 20. So this is nothing but 2 liter 250 milliliter. Okay, then next one is 550 kg divided by 1000 gram is nothing but 500 gram. 50 kg divided by 1000 gram is nothing but 500 gram. Okay, then next one is true or false. First one, Pugalendi ate 100 of nuts, which is equal to 0.1 kg. Pugalendi ate 100 gram of nuts, which is equal to 0.1 kg. Yes, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 grams, so it is nothing but 0.1 kilogram. That one is true. Then second one, Meena bought 250 milliliter of buttermilk, which is equal to 2.5 liter. No, 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. So it is not 2.5 liter. So that one is false. Then third one, Karkulali bag 1 kilogram 250 gram and Pungudi bag 2 kilogram 750 gram. What is the total weight of their bags? 4 kg. Is it right? Yeah, it is right. So here is 1 kg, there is 2 kg, 3 kg. 250 plus 750 is 1000 gram. 1000 gram means is nothing but 1 kg. So it is true. Okay. Then fourth question. Vanmati bought 4 books each weighing 500 gram. The total weight of 4 books is 2 kg. Yeah, that one is true. Okay. Then fifth one, Gayatri bought 1 kg of birthday cake. She shared 450 gram with her friends. The weight of cake remaining is 650 gram. No, that is 550 gram. Okay, so that one is false. Okay, yeah. So first one is true, second one is false, third one is true, and fourth one is true, and fifth one is false. Okay, yeah. Let me see the next sum. Converted into indicate units. The first one is 10 liter and 50 milliliter into milliliter. We have to change it this as milliliter. It is in milliliter, so no need to change this, but we have to change this 10 liter. So what is that? So 1 liter is equal to 1000 milliliter. Okay, then what is 10 liter? So 10 into 1000, so it's nothing but 10,000. So 10,000 milliliter. So 10 liter and 50 milliliter, we can write it as 10 liter as 10,000 milliliter plus 5 milliliter. Okay, so that is 5 milliliter. Sorry, this one is 50 milliliter. No. So what is 10,000 plus 50? 10,050 milliliter. So 10,050 milliliter. So this is the answer. So you have to convert this 1 liter as 1000 milliliter. Okay, so 1000 milliliter, that is 150 milliliter. So 10,000 plus 50 is 10,050 milliliter. The second question is 4 kilometer and 300 meter into meter. Okay, it's 4 kilometer and 300 meter into meter. So now it is in meter. Okay, so we have to change this. What is that? 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 4 kilometer is equal to 4 into 1000 is 4000 meter. Okay, so 4 kilometer and 300 meter is equal to 4000 plus 300. So 4300 meter. 4300 meter. So you have to change this kilometer as meter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So 4 kilometer is nothing but 4000 meter. So 4000 plus 300 is equal to 4300 meter. Okay. Yeah. The next question is 300 milligram into gram. 300 milligram into gram. So this milligram change it as gram. Okay. So what is that 300 milligram? 1, we know 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. Isn't it? Yeah. Then what is that 1 milligram? 1 milligram is nothing but 1 by 1000 gram. Because we have to change this milligram to gram. Okay. No gram to milligram. We have to change it as milligram to gram. Okay. So 300 milligram is equal to 300 divided by 1000. Okay. So here is 3 zeros. So put the 3 zeros before the point. So the answer is 0.300 is nothing but 0.3 gram. So 300 milligram is equal to 0.3 gram. Okay, ma? Yeah. Then we will see the next one. Convert into higher units. Convert into higher units. The first one is 13,000 millimeter. You have to convert as kilometer, meter, centimeter. Okay. So first we take it as meter to centimeter, whatever it is, meter, millimeter to centimeter, or millimeter to meter, or millimeter to kilometer. Okay. Yeah. So first you take it 1000. Yeah. So first you take 1 millimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 lakh kilometer. Okay. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 lakh kilometer. So for that 13,000 millimeter. So 13,000 millimeter is equal to 13,000 divided by 10 lakh. Okay, so here 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. You have to put 1 0 also. So the answer is 0.013000. So it's nothing but 13,000 millimeter is equal to, okay, we have to convert this 0.013 kilometer. 0.013 kilometer. Okay, then next change it as meter. Okay, so 1 millimeter is equal to, this is the first one, then this is second one. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 meter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 1000 millimeter. Okay, so 13,000 millimeter is equal to, we have to divide this 13,000 to 1000. So here 3 zeros, so 3 digits, after 3 digits put the point there. So it's nothing but 13.000. Yeah, so it is 13 meter. So it's 13,000 millimeter is nothing but 13 meter. The next one, 13,000 millimeter to centimeter. 13,000 millimeter to centimeter. Okay, so 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. 1 millimeter is equal to 1 by 10 centimeter. Therefore 13,000 millimeter is equal to 13,000 by 10. So here is 1 0, so put the point after there. So 13,1300.0 is nothing but 1300 centimeter. So 13,000 millimeter is equal to 1300 centimeter. Okay, so let me see the next sum, that is convert into lower units. Convert into lower units, that is 15 kilometer to meter, centimeter and millimeter. Okay, so first you change it as 1 kilometer is equal to 1000 meter. So here 15 kilometer is nothing but 15 into 1000. So 15,000 meter. So 15 kilometer is equal to 15,000 meter. Okay, then what is the second one, ma? Second one is we have to change it kilometer to centimeter. Okay, then 1 kilometer is equal to 10 lakh centimeter. Okay, so 15 kilometer is equal to 15 into 10 lakh. Okay, so 1 5, how many zeros? 1 2 3 4, 1 2 3 4 5. Okay, so 15 kilometer is equal to 10 lakh centimeter. Okay, then third one is kilometer to millimeter. So 1 kilometer is equal to 1 crore. So that is 1. How many zeros will come? 6 zeros. Yeah, so 1 2 3 4 5 6. Okay, so 15 kilometer is equal to 15 into 3, 4, 5, 6. So 15, you put 6 zeros. Okay, so 15 kilometer is equal to 15 millimeter. This is the answer. That is, these are all the answers. Okay. So the next one is 12 kilogram. Second one is 12 kilogram is change it as gram and milligram. Gram and milligram. Okay. So 1 kilogram is equal to, first one, 1 kilogram is equal to 1000 gram. So 12 kilogram is equal to 12 into 1000. So 12,000 gram. Okay. Then second one, 1 kilogram is equal to how many crore? So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 12 kilogram is equal to 12 into, multiply this. Okay, so this is the answer of this question. Okay, then we will go to the next one. Compare and put greater than or lesser than or equal to in the following. So the first one is 850 gram plus 150 gram is equal to, is what? Is greater than or smaller than? Yeah, it is greater. 850 gram. 850 gram is 150 gram. What is the answer? 10. Then 10,000. No. So 1000 gram. Okay. 1000 gram is nothing but, what is that? This is 800. No. This is 800. So 800 plus 150 is 800 gram plus 150 gram. What is that? It takes 950. So it is not equal. No. Yeah. And also 1 kg is greater. So the first one is greater symbol. This side. Yeah. So this one is 800 gram plus 150 gram is lesser than 1 kg. Okay. Then second one is 600 ml plus 400 ml. What is 600 plus 400 is nothing but 1000. So 1000 milliliter is equal to 1 liter. So it is equal. Okay. Then third one, 6 meter 25 centimeter box, 600 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. Is it equal or whatever it is greater than or smaller than? Yeah. It is greater than or smaller than 6 meter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. 1 meter is equal to 100 centimeter. So 6 meter is equal to 600 centimeter. It is already in 25 centimeter, the same. So 600 both are equal. So we can write it as 6 meter 25 centimeter as 600 centimeter plus 25 centimeter. Okay. Then 88 centimeter box, 8 meter 8 centimeter. 88 centimeter. It is 8 meter. It is nothing but 800 centimeter. No. So 800 plus 8 is 808 centimeter. So this side is bigger. Okay. Yeah. Then 55 gram box, 550 milligram. So 1 gram is equal to 1000 milligram. So 55 into 1000 is nothing but 5500. No. So this side is equal. No. 55 gram is greater. So this side is greater. Yeah. 55 gram is greater than 550 milligram. Okay, children. So you will just next week we will continue the same exercise because we have so many problems in this exercise. Okay, so next week we will continue. Now this just copy these sums in your classwork note, children. Next week we will continue the same exercise. Thank you, children.